morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name still remains Emmanuel Oremi Josmo, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, and this is morning edition of Exposition. And in this exposition is just an advice to our brother because I have banned saga on this very platform and I will not do saga anymore on this very platform. I will not do saga. All of us are brothers. No matter which way you believe, no matter whatever you believe, we are brothers in this very struggle. And my very good advice is going to the Oge Nkere. Oge Nkere. He is APM, acting prime minister, to some of our people, because some people actually believe in him. And this advice is going to him. My brother, Oge Nkere, I do not hate you, but I would want to give this very advice. Before I go into the advice, I would want to play the program which you did, which I watch, and I see a lot of mistakes in this very program. Let me play it, please.
First and foremost is we'll be issuing a memo about the Biafra Republic Government Liaison Office in Finland. As of this day, that office is closed. So we want to keep the word on notice and fellow Biafra. Whoever that is operating in the former liaison office in Finland, which currently is saboteur called Uchubi, is the liaison officer there.
Okay. First, you came out on a program. You said you want to keep the world on notice that the liaison office in Finland is closed and does not represent our people, and the liaison officer there is Ucheobi, which you call the saboteur. You see, this is the mistake all of us do. All of us make this mistake. And I really want us to unite. Let us drop our ego. Unite and fight this very cause. We need to drop our ego. Unite and fight this very cause. If you help your brother to conquer your own people, if you help a stranger to conquer your own people, those strangers will never trust you. They will conquer you. By me saying this, I'm not saying that you are helping an enemy, because I must be realistic on this very program. And I wouldn't say that you are not helping an enemy. I would not say that you are helping the enemy, and I wouldn't say that you are not helping the enemy, because I know how. But my advice is general. My brother, Isaiah Anyogo, which is your real name. Now, to be realistic, all this power tussle will never save anything. If you love Biafra, through in your blood, all this very power tussle does not save anything. It's high time, if you are leading the people that you are leading, lead them to Biafra. What is the way forward? How can we get Biafra? Now, let me use Ambazonia for instance. Ambazonia, you have a lobbyist, which is part of Ambazonia. Do you know that Cho Ayaba is not the only leader leading all the Ambazonia forces? There are other leaders leading Ambazonia forces which does not believe in Cho Ayaba, but they have only one goal: moving against the enemies, hitting the enemy's target. Every day, all of them mount their territory, moving from one place to the other, hitting the enemy's territory. That is what Biafra people want. Anybody who can get enemies in pain, anybody who can get the terrorists who are coming into our land in pains, Biafra people will follow and support that very person. Not power, because what I see everywhere is power tussle. And I have to be realistic. What you are doing, my own brother, Isaiah Anyogo, is power tussle. It's high time, the people that believe in you, it's high time, okay, these people contribute money. It's high time you lead them to Biafra. It's high time you forget about liaison office or not liaison office, because at the end of the day, one goal. The people who are following our sister, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, they also have one goal, which is Biafra. You must have one goal, which is Biafra. Those people must have one goal, which is Biafra. Do you know why I decided not to attack anybody? I lately knew that many people took me as a role model. Before, how I took myself is not how some people see me. Greater numbers of our people see me as a role model. So when sometimes I talk against what they believe in, they see, oh, look at this guy that we place at high places. Look at what he is doing. And somebody must stand up to unite our people. If I continue to say, oh, Oge Sabo or Dr. Ngozi Orabueze Sabo, our people will never be united. We are going to be divided. We are going to be divided. So the only thing that I need now is all our people, despite your distance, let us unite and fight one good cause. At the end of the day, we have to sit on table. How can the unity be? Because if we are not united, we will keep on swimming at the ocean. We can never go anywhere. I watched and see your Twitter yesterday when Sonny Akbarawa was live. In the Twitter, over 1,000 people are watching on Twitter alone. Over 1,000 people. Which means great numbers of Biafra people listening to you. Like that, great numbers of Biafra people listens to our sister, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. So what are we dragging? And again, what is the yardstick of calling somebody saboteur? My brother, what is the yardstick? Gaddafi was called a saboteur. And anybody that I have called Sabo in the time past, I'm placing apology to all of them. There is no yardstick of calling your own brother because of misunderstanding. You call that person Sabo. No yardstick. What is the yardstick of calling Uche saboteur? What's the yardstick? The yardstick is that to you, he did not believe in you. He did not believe in you. But let the truth be told, my very good brother, these very people, this faction, said they suspended the process which made you acting prime minister. Which means it's not everybody that will believe in your acting capacity. To some of our people, even to me before, I see you as very strange and big Sabo, and there are too many allegations on you. Too many, which I expose here. But I must be sincere. Those allegations are not proven. Are not proven. And to me, what I see left, right, and center is power tussle. Can we then shield this our power tussle drop our ego and then be on a round table. If we all love Biafra, what is the best way to unite the Biafra people? What is the best way? I will never call anybody Sabo. All of us have made sacrifices upon sacrifices. If I tell you what some people suffer in this very struggle, many of you will not believe. Many of our people are already regretting why are they joining this very freedom. Had it been that they know earlier, they wouldn't join. Because many people have given it all. Should I say, people that ran to exile, to some people, they felt that they are enjoying in exile. This place is the worst place that you can ever be. Exile. One of the worst places that you can ever be. No joy, especially when you have a family. No joy of children, no joy of wife, no joy at all. You are just there like a ewu na-eche mgbe a ga-egbu gị. Ọ na-eche oge ọnwụ gị. So why can't us unite? Why can't us unite? I must confess, I have done greater mistake in the time past. But what I'm seeking for is unity, left, right, and center. A divided, if all of you have Biafrans at heart, let us put our egos aside and unite. And unite, at least for the greater cause. Chua Ayaba united his people. Chua Ayaba was not the only leader leading his people, but he later called on a dialogue, knelt down and begged his people, let us unite. And at the end of the day, he united a greater number of armed carriers because of that single humility. He told them, if you are going to kill me, kill me. But what I want is unity. At the end of the day, he united greater numbers of people. Then, remaining some little people who are to Cameroonian government, to Ambazonia, but great number of people who are confused, he united them. If you have Biafra at heart, why can't every one of us drop our ego? Somebody must unite this very movement. To some people, they are enjoying, but after I sleep over this, I said, what is happening? Why can't us unite? And I agreed never to call anybody Sabo in this very struggle. I agreed never to play propaganda to anybody again in this very struggle. But we need to unite, my brother. We need to unite. Put our power tussles behind. If Dr. Ngozi is not doing it well, we Biafrans will correct her. If you are not doing it well, we Biafrans will correct you. Even if those of you have to do it in your own various capacity. You said you are acting prime minister. Dr. Ngozi is the deputy prime minister. Okay, it is March, but the main goal is consistently, we cannot have acting prime minister and deputy prime minister. The land of Biafra will be going. The main goal is to secure that land, which a lot of people are contributing money to. That's the main goal. I do not see any other goal. That land must be protected, secured. Okwe protect the child secure, ya call ya bam stamp on it. That it have been done and sealed. Done and dusted. Why can't we unite? Unity is the main thing here. Unity. And I really wish that those of you do not see this, because these days, even when I do program now, some of you will come and say, oh, you're madam or not madam. What I believe in is Biafra. And if you people do not unite to fight our common enemy, the land of Biafra is going anoreba anazo power tussle. If you people do not The land of Biafra will go. Ọkwa azọta ala azọba ute. Azọtacha ala azọba ute. Let us move, please.
Office is closed. That office don't represent our interest. That office in Latin Finland is no longer working for the Biafran people. If you have anything to do with that particular liaison office, please kindly desist from it. Biafran people, I am Oge Nkere, the acting Prime Minister, acting on behalf of our leader, Mazi Simon Ebo. Today, I'm going to give the Biafran people a special task. Because this fight that we have embarked on, we are not looking anyone face. We come as brutal to do whatever we can to get our freedom. Freedom is not given. Freedom is taken. You have to be tough. You have to be strong. If not, this global community, this global world will kick you like if.
Okay, my brother, I understand that you understand the basic of freedom, which you said in this very program that you are doing, that freedom is not given, freedom is taken. I understand very well that you understand the principles of freedom. So since now that you understand that freedom is taken, can you please consistently and persistently stand on that principle of freedom is taken to embark on the freedom of those who believe in you? And one advice, let me allow this to play, please.
Or like a soccer. They will kick you around, bully you around, and if you keep complaining for help, they will mock at you, laugh at you, spit at you. You can't be weak to be strong. You have to be strong to be strong. You can't be weak to defend yourself. You can't be weak to fight your enemy, both within and outside. Fellow Biafrans, I want to take you to a journey that you need to ask some saboteurs among us. And this journey probably going to take you a few minutes, few seconds. And after this special press briefing, start to ask questions. We have been in this memory lane before. China Sanworu and Chike Doziem, when our leader was kidnapped from Kenya, we see how quiet, how much they are for days. Why? They know what happened. I'm taking you to a journey that we need to start to ask questions. We have one that's supposed to be one of us, that's supposed to be one of our own, in the name, not knowing she's a saboteur. And we already have a lot of saboteurs, like somebody like Bianca Chetima Tunubu. Now we identify Ngozi Orabueze as Judas Iscariot. Those that kiss their Lord.
Okay, my very good brother, Isaiah Anyogo. In the spirit of love, fairness, justice, and equity, if you truly means well for the Biafra people, let me advise you, you need to move on. Do whatever that you are doing for the freedom of the Biafra people, as you said. Now, do you know what brings problem to our people? To the extent that our people are saying KMD mad poison. I have had some group of people, and allegedly, these people believes in you. In order to give some people poison, in order to rescue this freedom. Please, we should not gravitate to that extent of thinking of killing or soiling our hands in blood. I said allegedly, because I want to be sincere on this very program. In order to bring us together, we must be sincere. Now, if you believe that Dr. Ngozi Orabueze is a Sabo to you, why don't you leave her alone? Because people, a large number of people are following her, as people are following you also. Can you leave her alone? Our people love what they see. If our people, if you are fighting for freedom in truth and in sincerity, you will not force our people to come to you. You will not pet them or convince them. In fact, saying that Dr. Ngozi Orabueze is a Sabo or this will anger a lot of people following her. Like that, if I come, like when I used to say, oh, Oge Nkere, Sabo, Oge Nkere, I will no longer play propaganda on this very platform again, because there is no yardstick of calling somebody a saboteur. I have my reasons. Gaddafi is on your side. Caterpillar, allegedly, is on this side. So there is no yardstick of calling anybody Sabo. Whether Dr. Ngozi Orabueze or Oge Nkere, what we want is Biafra, that land. Can you people please forget about power tussle? And again, my brother Isaiah Anyogo, I have not seen where she mentioned your name. I have not seen. If she have, I have not seen, please. The advice is that forget about her. Since you believe that you are getting Biafra for the Biafra people, focus on that thing that the Biafra people want. You can even take a risk of using your own personal money, because I have heard you too many times saying how you own billions. So you will ego. My very good brother, use that your money, acquire harder, taka boom boom boom, taka boom boom boom. If the men on the ground begin taka boom boom boom, we are men under Oge Nkere. We will bring Nigeria down. But I can assure you that immediately our people, do you know what made our people to shift to the side of Mazi Simon Ekpa? Did you think that it was Exposition? It was work on the ground. Immediately, onye ọbụla nọkata ya wefe okwu, onye mana na-asị no Sabo, or ya mana protect the land of Biafra. Legoni ihe ndị ya na-akpọ no Sabo, they are now buying those who are buying us. People shifted to that side. And that is how he won. Because he knew his fight. Mazi Simon Ekpa never concentrated on DOS. When he started, now DOS concentrated on him. And he told them, I will do your program for, 2 months or thereabout, and you people will earn, I will focus. And he did it exactly. He won them and focus. He never come on his program mentioning DOS, DOS, here. It is never good. If you believe in Biafra, if you believe to get freedom, focus on those things that our people love. That is delegitimization of the terrorist. My very good brother, Isaiah Anyogo, I can tell you and assure you, if you bring out big money and invest on the men on the ground, since I have heard to some of your people that you control and some quarters that you control bottles of them. As I have heard, why can't you bring money, give to Butuzo? At least Butuzo is a very good warrior. Let him go and be bombing and let them plan big. Listen, let them plan big for you to be able to win. Let them plan big. Enter barracks, bomb barracks. Oh, we are Biafra Liberation Army under Oge Nkere, bombing barracks. I can tell you, the next 1 week, our people don't shift. Yes, now this is code. Our people don't shift. Everyone will kill unto Oge Nkere. It's not all about coming, this person is a Sabo. This person will come, this person is a Sabo. At the end of the day, what Biafra people want is the land to be secured. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is standing behind bars. Mazi Simon Ekpa is standing behind bars. Can we please leave our ego? I did not see Oge Nkere before I come on this very freedom. I did not see Dr. Ngozi Orabueze before I come on this very program, on this very freedom. Likewise, every Biafra people. What Biafrans come for is freedom. And we can kill in anybody. Even if no Ekwensu with that freedom for us. Now. Ekwensu Biasai, na apple from Nigeria. Maka Chineke kere mụ na gị. People will key in. I do back, I mana. Nigeria is worse than being in hellfire. Nigeria is worse than being in hellfire. These power tussle have lingered for months. 3 months plus now. So why can't everyone shield this power tussle? This person is original or this person is not original and key in. And one thing I can tell you, my very good brother, is stop calling anybody's name. If you believe that you are doing your own, do your own. I have not seen her call your name. That's the truth. That's the truth. If she have done, I don't know. Because I have slept over this. If we continue to play, our people are going to be distracted. Our people are already in disarray. Our people are already in disarray. The land of Biafra is going every day by day. So when we focus on ourselves, Oge Nkere Sabo, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze Sabo, because that is what is happening on Twitter. Oge Nkere Sabo, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze Sabo, onye nke a say cartoon ibe ya, ọnụ ya adị ona. Onye nke a say cartoon ibe ya, ihu ya adị ola. Nke nsokwe wee me, esere m Sonny Akparawa with monkey. Very, very regrettable what we do in ignorance. I have slept over this. Sleep and continue to sleep over it. Over it. And there are some certain things which I don't want to say here. But one thing that I can say authoritatively on this very platform is, can we focus on the freedom which brought all of us and leave saga alone? Focus on that freedom. And stop this person is a Sabo, because at the end of the day, anybody that brings Biafra is welcomed. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, like I made a quote of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Some people said, oh, I do not make a quote of Mazi Simon Ekpa. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the father of every freedom. This very freedom, he is the father. And I always say, my prime minister said, but some people want saga. Some people want to drive me in saga. which is not helping this very struggle. If I am playing saga, many people comes to watch, but it is not helping the very struggle. So do you come for views or do you come to unite your own people? So I just said, someone have to do the unification. It doesn't matter what it takes. Let us just unite and focus on this very freedom. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, even if it is a madman that will bring freedom, let that Biafra come. Anybody that will bring Biafra to us, let it come. Can we focus? Because when two elephants fight together, the grass suffers it a lot. Like the informations that I hear, oh, no, anybody of a recruit, people saying that have their own anger. And because at the end of the day, if you tell people, why do you say so? They will give you proof, and this is their anger. But are they the ones, because of this, they came for the protection of that land? So why can't we focus? Why can't we preach peace? Leave our ego. I know that I have contributed, but it is factual based on what I see. Factual based on the fact and figures that people supply to me. But let us just put those things by the side. I know the spiritual exercise which I did, which I am not going to talk about because there are a lot of things. One thing that I wouldn't do is to manipulate that spiritual exercise. There are a lot of things. If I manipulate my spiritual exercise, I will never. Like all of you know, said it is spiritual, it must surely come to pass. There are a lot of things which come in spiritual, which it has been given to me, best to be kept under me. But I need to unite so that we unite. Because at the end of the day, if Dr. Ngozi Orabueze go, if Oge Nkere go, the people still remain. If Dr. Ngozi Orabueze go, if Oge Nkere go, the people still remain. So why can't we unite these people and everyone drop their ego so that we foster the best way for this very freedom? For the freedom of the Biafra people, for your own freedom, for my own freedom, for the freedom of our children born and yet unborn. It is not something that we can do by ego. Kande mo, emako onye mbo, mwabezo nyagwanam, mburunshin ogoda na akpari. It is not something that we do there. It is something that we do through critical thinking. What is happening? How can we help this very freedom? It is something that we do, not something that we do through saga. No. Why can't we? Onye metia ibia se onya no metere ya. And leave this saga alone. It have divided us. And the people love saga. Then you come and tell you, oh, well done. Why can't we drop this saga and ego? Because at the end of the day, Biafra is the last, is the only thing that we needed. Is the only thing that we needed. Why can't we? And I believe that you have had me. I believe everyone have had me. Let us focus on this very freedom. As we focus, may Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiyama, the creator of heaven and earth, bless each and every one of us. Long live the Republic of Biafra.